Have you ever wondered if a woman is truly attracted to you? If she is, she won't always say it directly. Instead, she'll show it through subtle yet undeniable signs. The art of attraction is less about words and more about energy, body language, and emotional connection. And if you understand Stoicism, you'll know how to remain calm, confident, and in control when a woman flirts with you. In this video, we're breaking down the psychological and Stoic approach to recognizing female attraction and handling it like a high-value man. 1. The power of eye contact. A woman who is attracted to you will hold eye contact longer than usual. If she looks at you, glances away, and then looks back, she's interested. Stoics teach that presence is power, so don't overthink it. Meet her gaze with calm confidence and let the moment unfold naturally. 2. Her body faces you. A woman's subconscious mind reveals her attraction through body language. If her feet, torso, or shoulders are pointed toward you, she's drawn to your presence. A Stoic man doesn't fidget or overanalyze. He stands firm, observing and allowing things to develop at their own pace. 3. She plays with her hair or touches her neck. These are universal signs of flirtation. When a woman plays with her hair or touches her neck, it's a mix of nervous energy and subconscious attraction. A Stoic man doesn't react impulsively. He remains composed, knowing his value. 4. She laughs more around you. A woman who is attracted to you will find reasons to laugh. She'll be more expressive, even if your joke wasn't that funny. This isn't about being a comedian, it's about making her feel comfortable. The Stoic approach? Stay grounded and let her energy flow toward you naturally. 5. She mirrors your movements. Mirroring is a psychological sign of connection. If she subtly copies your gestures, tone, or even the way you sit, it means she's subconsciously aligning herself with you. This is a strong indicator of attraction. The Stoic response? Recognize it, but don't let it inflate your ego. Maintain your calm presence. 6. She finds reasons to be near you. A woman who is interested in you will position herself closer to you, even in group settings. She might accidentally brush against you or find small excuses to be in your personal space. A Stoic man doesn't lean in eagerly. He holds his ground and lets her come to him. 7. She teases you playfully. Playful teasing is a clear sign of attraction. If she gently mocks you or playfully challenges you, she's testing your confidence. A Stoic man never gets defensive. He responds with a calm, controlled sense of humor. 8. She initiates contact. If a woman lightly touches your arm, shoulder, or back while talking, she's expressing interest. But a Stoic man never rushes to reciprocate. He allows her to escalate attraction at her own pace while maintaining his composed demeanor. 9. She asks personal questions. When a woman is attracted to you, she'll show curiosity about your life, ambitions, and passions. She's trying to connect on a deeper level. A Stoic man answers with honesty but doesn't overshare. He maintains an air of mystery. 10. She gives you special attention. If she remembers small details about your conversations, brings up past interactions, or makes efforts to engage with you more than others, she values your presence. A Stoic man appreciates this but never seeks validation from it. The Stoic approach to flirting. Now that you know the signs, how should you respond? The key is to remain calm, observant, and composed. Here are 3 Stoic principles to apply when a woman is flirting with you. 1. Control your emotions. A Stoic man doesn't react impulsively to attraction. He remains self-aware, never letting his emotions dictate his behavior. Attraction should be acknowledged, but not obsessed over. 2. Maintain your frame. Women are naturally drawn to men who are grounded in their values. Don't change your demeanor just because a woman shows interest. Stay true to who you are. 3. Lead with confidence, not desperation. Attraction should never make you desperate for validation. A Stoic man leads with quiet confidence, allowing things to unfold naturally without forcing anything. Attraction is a dance of energy, body language, and emotional connection. If a woman is flirting with you, recognize the signs, but always remain grounded. A true Stoic man understands that his worth isn't dependent on external validation. It comes from within. The next time you sense attraction, embrace it with confidence. But remember, the most attractive trait you can have is unwavering self-control. If you found this video valuable, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more insights on confidence, attraction, and the Stoic way of life. Stay strong, stay grounded, and keep growing.